everyone, it's Tammy and I have a sticker haul to do for you guys today. It's been a little while since I've done one of these, but they had some really cute stuff and I wanted to get it. And this is from Jump To It Designs. Now she was having a really good sale. It was a going, gone sale. And I found a few things. Maybe a little more than a few, but so let's see. Thanks for your purchase. And here's the cute little St. Patrick's Day. I forget what she calls this. Oh, she has a particular name for her little unicorn, and he's always so cute. So there's that. And thanks for participating in our Going, Gone sale. Here's a taste of our new paper. I'm sure you'll love it as much as we do. Wendy and Rose of Jump To It Designs. So it is very nice. It feels very smooth. It's very, very nice. So this is just a one sheet. I had, if you guys recall in my planner last year, I had the full kit of this and I loved it. But I thought that I would use this in my fitness planner. So that's what the one sheet ones are going to be for. This is another one of those. Those birds are just lovely. So cute. Perfect for spring. Oh, and I got this one even though it's glossy. It was the only one they had, and it is really cute for Easter. So I went ahead and got that one even though I can't stand glossy stickers. They just give me the heebie-jeebies when I touch them. I don't like it. I mean, I could touch it, but like if you move, ugh. And then here is a cute St. Patrick's Day one. When it comes to luck, just make your own. Very nice. And then here is a medicine tracker, just to remember to take your medicine. I thought that might work for me. And there's 4 spots, which is great because that's what I do. And then I went ahead and got this one for Halloween. I love the colors. Pink and or blue and purple together are just fab. And then, oh my goodness, kitties and puppies. Oh, I had to do it. It's kind of similar to that first one. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love the watercolory style too. And this one's really cute. I just saw that bunny and I had to get that. That's all it's about, is the bunny, to be quite honest. The rest of the stuff, I don't even care. I just like that little bunny. And then this one, of course, is awesome. Now, I signed up for a kickboxing class, so I thought this might be cool to have. I don't know if I will. I got 2 classes because it was just a trial, so I don't know if I'll like it, hate it, what, but I don't even know when I'm going to do it, but that's for that. This is a step tracker. Very cute. And here's a vitamin tracker. And I think I'm going to use these interchangeably, the medicine and the vitamins. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I'll just use, you know, I consider it all medicine, so. And here is a cute Harry Potter. That's cool. And a winter. And these things were like 60% off, so they were a really good deal. And this one, of course, was for Valentine's Day, but I figure you can use it whenever you want. I mean, it's just cute little happy dogs. Oh, and it looks like I got 2 pages of that one. So I got both of these. And this one's a 1-pager, another one for Halloween. And Thanksgiving. Isn't that adorable? So that's all of those. And then I have 2 more little bags. This one says, hot chocolate is like a hug from the inside. And I think that this is just one kit. And it has the plaid, and I love the plaid. And this is for a horizontal planner, and I don't really use a horizontal planner, but because it was the Going, Gone sale, I had to just get what they had left. So I don't mind, I'll make it work. Super cute. I loved the buffalo plaid, so I had to get that kit. I love it. And then last is another kit. Popcorn, the unicorn, that's what she calls him. So here are extra glitter tabs. And here's all of Popcorn doing all his thing. And again, I love this plaid. That even feels neat. It's like almost rough. Oh, but that's the washi. Those are like little strips of washi. That's why it feels like that. Wintertime, let the snow, hot cocoa, snowflakes, mittens. Oh, wintertime, let it snow, hot cocoa, snowflakes, mittens, burr, and sledding. So I probably won't use this till next year. I hope. But it is super cute. And the little animals just do me in. So that is everything I got from Jump To It Designs. And like I said, she was having an amazing sale. And I think her stuff is really cute anyway. And sounds like she got new paper, so that's the reason that she did the sale, and the new paper does feel fabulous. So if you guys are interested or are thinking about it, I would say go for it. She has such really cute stuff and it's just adorable. So yay. All right, well, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.